Did you know that you can make perfect hair? And perfect fur! Yes! You can do that. Perfect hair and perfect fur. Look at those two awesome examples that are showing right now on the screen. So let's go into tutorial because I'm going to show you how to use Smudge too. Do you see this awesome art? Yeah. I use Smudge too. Here into the side. Yeah, that is Smudge too. Let me show you what it does. Let me show you. I painted here. You pick Smudge too, and you can just start applying, and it's going to make this beautiful effect. If you just start applying it, and it's beautiful. It makes your work so much faster. You save your time and you get the job done. Everybody's happy. It's a win-win game, guys. This too is mainly on Photoshop, but don't be sad right now, because other programs like Clip Studio Paint got a brush that does a close effect. You just need to change the effects, okay, the settings of it. As an example, I need to show you my settings of Smudge too. This part right here, I need to show you that my spacing, I can just have 0 spacing. Who cares about spacing? My size, I choose the size. You always change the size. But you can see here that I have something truly important. You, Photoshop user, take a note on this. I'm using pen pressure with every this things on 0. Every this things on 0. And here, really important, is moving. Is moving, okay? So we have these things here. Great, excellent, perfect. Same organization. So when you close this tab, remember to change here your strength, okay? Because if I do it with low strength, it's not going to carry away that much. It's moving so little. But if I go here and put the strength like 100, woo! You can just drag and it's going to be in the place and format that you want. Look at this, look at this, look at me go, look at me going, look at this, how crazy it is. But the real part of it is going like around 70, 80. This number here, there is no specific number. You gotta have the touch to it. The touch. This is normally the number that I use on doing fur and hair. Look at this. Look at this. Yeah. This, I love it. And sometimes I maybe want a higher number. I can just go to 90. 90, yeah, you know that number. And do it bigger and bigger. Yeah, I can just do that. And I can go back to a lower number. I do that while I'm painting this type of fur. Do you see this? All the time I'm changing between a strong brush, strong smudge too, and a soft smudge too. Do you guys see this part right here? Yeah, I was using smudge too. I'm gonna use smudge too here. I was doing exactly like this. Exactly like this. Exactly. There's no magic. It's training. Remember, the two can be awesome, but you need to be even more awesomer, okay? The two is awesome, but you're even more awesomer, okay? Got it. You're a champ. I know you're gonna kill that girl. Okay, hair? Well, I do exactly the same. I just do a bigger stroke. And I use it soft, okay? Like this. I'm using it right now on 50 of strength. I can just do using the movement of the hair. That's exactly how I do it. But if you want to make those small lines, like this one that I have done, put that on 100 and drag it. Do you see? This is exactly how I do it. Put it on 100 and drag it. See? Normally I drag bright colors, not dark tones, because you cannot see it. I only drag darker tones when it's close to the edge, because it's going to give contrast of the character and background. Oh yeah, it's going to give contrast. Look at this. Nobody's going to notice almost that I did a changing here. Don't do that movement randomly like think while you're doing it. Concentrate on doing this, because people just go like, no, I'm just going to do it pretty fast. Is it really worth doing that fast? Tell me, is it really worth doing that fast? Not taking your time, your patience, all your energy to evolve in that? Involve. Yeah, also involve yourself. Yeah, also involve. Now we do the passage between both types of fur. You can do some big locks of fur, and you can do some going to a different direction. You can do some smaller. Patience is extremely important. I can already tell. You that is watching this tutorial on YouTube or Patreon, remember, you're not going to evolve if you don't enjoy the process. You need to be there in the present moment. Do it in the moment, present moment. If you're like, no, I need to rush, and always be in the future, always be in that anxious state, you're not going to make any progress. I'm going to pick here the mode of the brush and change to multiply. I'm going to pick here a warm color, more like here. Yeah, it's good. And add the light around it. Yeah, in the corners. Always in the corners. Because the corners, if you add light, it reinforces the silhouette of it. Do you see this? I did this. I need to do this on everything. Everything. And I'm going to do on everything. Why not you help a friend of you that is struggling with art and share this tutorial? You know you can change this person's life. You know you can change a lot of artist's life. So help the community. Share this video, share with a friend, share with someone that you don't even know, post in a group, help people. We are here for that. Comment what you want to see next, and I'll be seeing you in the next tutorial.